Today I'm going to show you how to cleanse and charge your crystals with your angels so they feel clear, light, and ready to support your sensitive, empathic self again. Stay with me and I'll also guide a blessing over your whole collection and share how you can get my simple step-by-step cleansing and charging ritual guide to use anytime. So the angels that we're going to be, or the angel that we'll be using today or connecting with today, is the angel of light, because we're going to be using selenite in such a way, and kyanite too, to cleanse, balance, and just clear all of your crystals. So we'll call her in, and first I want to share with you some of the tools that I'll be using in this video that you probably already have at home. This is the sacred geometry, which is connected with Archangel Metatron and the cosmos, and some say the Merkaba. I think this one, actually, this one might be the flower of life design. I love it. It sits under two of my large Lemurians, and this is a smaller one from a long time ago that helps with the chakras and all of your crystals collect, absorb, and store energy that it picks up from you and your environment. And so having lots of selenite around and kyanite, blue or black, black kyanite usually comes in the form of a fan. Some call it witch's brooms, and I think of it as sweeping out negativity. This is blue kyanite, which is also amazing, and an energy magnifier, clear quartz. This one happens to be on a stand and I just love it. Okay, and what else? And we have a clear quartz obelisk. Now you have to have one this big. It helps the larger it is. However, if you have, now this is rutilated smoky quartz, but if you have an obelisk this size or even half the size and have several of them, we're also going to be using Palo Santo stick, a wood stick, and I'll light that and show it to you later. And then this singing bowl, you can use whatever size you like. All right, so let's call in the Angel of Light. If you'll join me, my hands are going to be up here so you can see them. Typically, I'll have my feet flat on the ground and my hands on my lap with the palms facing up. This is just a short invocation to call her in to help align and open our higher self to the angel of light. Angel of light, we ask that you come and be with us and join us in the etheric plane so that all who see this, whenever they see this, feels your light, your protection, your compassion, your love, and your clearing, cleansing, uplifting energy. Help me to demonstrate in ways that are easy and simple to use for others to cleanse and charge their crystals. Okay, so one of the ways, yeah, okay. So you have a small disc, whatever the design is or no design, if you have a slab, a rectangle. Now this is a piece of magnetite. It's from, all of these pieces are from my personal collection. You can, on a flat surface, have a crystal of any size on here. Now, I just got this information or this download to share with you that you could do a double. Oh, we could even do a triple. Okay. Well, the double for kyanite on top of a selenite disc. Now, I think this one's going to be larger to show you and safer for everybody, including my crystals, me, and and you could do something like that. on a flat surface. So what does this do? The clear quartz magnifies the energy of all the other crystals. Kyanite and selenite absorb the energy of everything. Um, energy from your laptop, any of your devices, and continual cleansing. So the next part, what would you do? Okay, so I'm thinking my own thoughts here and listening to my guides, the Angel of Light specifically, on how to do some of these things or to share these with you. So if I stop, and kind of go, that's why, because I'm listening while I'm attempting to talk to you at the same time. Most of the time it works because I've been doing this for a couple of minutes, so about 30 some years. All right. So let's say you have an obelisk of anything. This happens to be smoky rutile or rutilated smoky quartz. And this is clear quartz. So you can do this a couple of ways. If you like, you can have these on a flat surface and have them touching or near each other. I like touching when I'm doing cleansing. And this way, and perhaps like 24 hours or so. Okay. So you can do that. And then then after that, you need to cleanse your clear quartz because it has now absorbed the energies that your rutilated quartz has absorbed, blah, blah, blah. Yes. All right. We also talked about putting one piece on top of a selenite disc. The design can be dragonfly, it can be a white etching, plain, whatever. And then this, you could have as the center of a grid, for example. That's a whole nother thingy. Still, you can do this and you never have to cleanse a selenite because it takes care of itself. So you can also do that by putting, near or touching blue kyanite, even black kyanite, the black fan kyanite. Now, here's something I like to do when I'm not wearing my rings. I have another large disc, selenite disc, that has other crystals on it, and I put my rings right on the selenite disc so that they're always cleansed and at their highest vibration, because it's kind of like, okay, that's a good analogy. When you have a flower vase or flowers in a vase, and after a while the water gets cloudy, you've got to change it. So think of clearing and cleansing your crystals and calling in the angel of light as switching out the energy. That's I like that. I had never thought of it that way. You could also, oh, that's a good idea. Okay, so this necklace, okay, I'm done. Let's just say I'm done with it. And I could drape it. I'll show you in just a second. Bear with me. Okay, so I have draped it over this quartz, these two really big quartz points, and you can leave it overnight. Now, this clear quartz actually sits on this small disc. So if I had this set up in a safe corner, then I would never have to cleanse and realign, clear out that great big quartz point. Now let's use a little bit of Palo Santo. So I'm going to light the candle here in a second, having all of these pieces ready. Okay. Okay. Then I light the Palo Santo. I get it good and like that. So you can use Palo Santo wood or incense to wave over or have the smoke flowing around your crystals, okay? So you can do like this. I would do this for a few minutes. Now, if you have a large collection in a larger space, then go around your room, your space, your office, your sacred space, your meditation room, whatever that's going to be, okay? Can also do it with sound. I'm just putting it over there in my bowl so my incense bowl, so it does, stay proper where it's supposed to be. Do practice safety when using candle flames and whatnot. You can also go to your crystals around your space and use a singing bowl. There we go. And there you have it. So if you would like my simple to use, step-by-step crystal cleansing and charging with angels, the link is down below. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul, and I'll see you next time. Before we go, imagine the angel of light in front of or in the center of your sacred space, looking at all of your beautiful crystals and your sacred space tools. Angel of light, thank you for clearing any and all energies that are not of love, light, and the highest vibration within and around all of my crystals here in this space. Thank you for helping me to maintain the highest vibrations for my crystals and my sacred tools. So be it, and so it is.